That's a crystal.
You guys, so we're at the shop and we had to go to my crib and see if we could find the clamps, which when I say clamps, these that go into the exhaust to hold it on together. So I had to go back to my crib to get the clamps. Didn't see the clamps, so I'm hoping that they're in the car because I didn't really clean my car out lately. And yeah, I think they're on this side of the car too, and I was on this side, but we're gonna double check. Shout out to them though, because they took me to the crib to get my stuff. But this is the stock exhaust right here, and that's the other part of the pipe right there, as y'all see. So yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, I think that's my exhaust. I'm pretty sure because it's all rusted and everything, and they got the clamps on there. Yeah, because that's where they straight pipe the pipe. Yeah, so just make sure y'all stay tuned. The diameter on this pipe and that pipe pretty much is way bigger, and it's gonna look crazy. So everybody that doesn't know what the Honda exhaust look like, this is what it look like. And like I've been telling y'all like forever, we're gonna get the J-pipe exhaust, which covers from here up to there, to where the cats are. So I just want you guys to stay tuned, man. And we got the new exhaust over here, 4-inch tips. We're gonna take them off, and we're gonna attempt to put the dual tips back on the whip. So that's the goal, that's the plan. Hopefully we can do what they do. Yeah, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Look how small that resonator is, y'all. That's crazy. And I'm gonna get him to, so I thought that this was a cat right here, but it's not a cat, it's a little resonator. And I told him I'm interested in getting that cut off. So the goal today is also to get that cut off. So if we can get that done, that'll be awesome. That'd be great. But I just want to be able to get in the car so I can just check the car right quick before we get to doing everything else. And he already took all this stuff off, so we're gonna pray and hope that the clamps are in the car. If not, hopefully, I was wondering if he could weld it. I don't know if it works like that. I don't know, but I'm assuming not. I don't know, or we can get some clamps from Advance or something, but we already gone through too much, so there's no telling if this is gonna happen today. If not, it'll happen tomorrow. So we're gonna get it done. I'm supposed to get the brakes done, so I'm hoping that he can get my brakes done as well. That's why I really want to get this done. I really want to get my brakes done also. They are looking pretty bad, y'all. It's not looking good. So yeah, let's see that. Y'all see that? Let me see if I can flash my light. We gotta get these brakes done. Y'all know how all the lights are on the dash? This is why. This is why. Let me show y'all. Let me see if I can find it. Y'all probably see it before me. There it is. That's why all them lights are on the dash. So once we replace this cable, we'll be all good. All right, so update. The pipe is 2 inches, no, like 4 inches too short. So what he got to do is add a pipe. That's what he about to do right now. So I'm hoping that that works out, because you have to put the pipe into the pipe, not like touching the pipe, because you still have leakage. So right now he's about to cut the old pipe and see if he can put the pipe in there, and we'll see how that go. And we'll see if a clamp on there. It's literally like 4 inches off, and then he'll be able to put the exhaust on. So stay tuned.
I know what happened.
Well, with the pipe
Work done on that exhaust before,
on my car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
and they did the pipe on there.
Yeah.
This was supposed to fit, but it didn't.
Is it because they moved the clamps, or what they do?
No, this was shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was even shorter. So sometime when you do aftermarket online, that's gonna happen.
He said we can come through and vlog. He said we can come through and vlog. See some real action. It's gonna sound crazy. Get them wheel lights fixed next week. Oh, that's why you asked me about the lights, because of the wires?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get them fixed next week. Or this week, not next week. Yeah, I gotta
yeah,
get.
I saw that come down when I took that bracket down.
I gotta get new LED strips too. I gotta order them so he can fix it too. And he gotta resolder the wires and everything. And this is why my all my lights is on the dash. You see this right here? That's why all them lights is on. Cause when we was doing the lift, it snapped. Yeah, he gonna fix all that. And then he gotta fix this turn signal on this side, because the turn signal don't work. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a different Honda Accord bumper, because they got more advanced ones. But then that means I have to get it color matched. Yeah, should be. Yes, sir. That's exactly why I put it in my pocket
You hold
too.
it right here in a minute. Oh, this your dad?
Yeah, it's my pops.
Oh man, I thought you were just, you know, ain't nothing wrong with that, brother. He ain't gonna get it no trouble.
We get that a lot.
Yeah. Let's come. I'm gonna take it back off. Yep. Yes, sir. What's wrong with that?
Because really, I wanted to cut the mufflers off.
You want to cut which ones off?
Where you at right now?
These?
Realistically,
Oh, you don't want
yeah, realistically, I wanted this off.
this off?
Yeah.
So you don't want that at all?
Yeah, realistically, yeah.
You don't?
No. See, I took them off on there.
Oh, so what are these? Just
I bought them. Yeah, when I got the car.
Yeah, you want the mufflers out of that. I got you. Where's the one? Oh, the one I took out, yeah. So we just going with this. So you ain't gonna use none of this? No. You still need this though. Yeah. Go into it. This here. Go here. And this piece of pipe. That's the way you get it. Put that tip on, just line it up. Behind the thing here. Which way you going with this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Looked like it was sitting right here. Where the marks are.
Oh, so we need to cut way back here then. See what come out?
Yeah. About 3 inches off, man.
That don't look too low, dude.
It was about probably right here. Yeah, that's about like that right there.
Put it up that way.
Oh, I see, because you bent it back. I guess.
I bent it a little bit, not much. Let's see. So you went right here. Let's see. Hold it right there. Watch this hand right here. This one right here. Like I said. I think if we cut it right behind that rail, that would be good. Bring it back one more time. I slid it in some. See, you want it to stick out a little?
However we can get it to.
Now, you go. You want this flush?
I want it like at least probably like right here.
Back that way. Okay. Let's take off that. Let's take off behind that well. I think.
I don't want it to be over exaggerated.
Right here. See, if we come here, cut there. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I don't mind it sticking out.
If we cut, yeah, we've been adjusting some.
I'm gonna take these off anyway soon.
Oh,
yeah, I'm getting bigger pipes.
Let's go behind that well. Yeah,
it's gonna be on here that long. About to get a little rev test break. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, we in the game. Well, we gonna catch y'all on the street, cause yeah. And don't mind my brakes, cause we gotta get them done Friday. And how the pipes is uneven, he gonna redo those the same day. Running short on time, so exhaust is already bolted off and everything. So we have to go ahead.
Tell all them haters, go ahead and get your hate out.
Yeah, go ahead and get your hate out. Cause all these, what he say, Christmas lights, all these lights finna be gone.
Yeah, Christmas lights.
Yeah, dude commented that on the video. It's alright. It's alright. I showed y'all what I need to get fixed, so. Everything getting checked off the list. Got the bumper on, as y'all see in the beginning of the video. I had to finish this video. That's why I put my bumper on. Dang. They about to horse me in the comments. Oh, I'm about to get a picture right here. Hold on. I'm about to get a flick right here. This is a good little. Y'all can't tell me that's not a good view right there. Working. The mosquitoes tearing my dad up. They tearing you up. Y'all. So this is what I mean. We're gonna fix that this week. Y'all see that in the next video, but this is all y'all getting for right now. Yeah. Yeah. You trying to take a thumbnail right quick before we leave? So go ahead and knock all this out. Flick up, flick up, flick up. Y'all know the vibe. Y'all know how we get down. Flick up, flick up, flick up, flick up. Y'all can't tell me though, we got both daytime running lights now. Just gotta get that light buff and that's gonna even up.